Hello viewers, welcome to Swift for tutorial for beginner. Today I will describe Swift Swiss statement or Swiss case. You have seen if statement and loops, but Swift have another type of flow control called Swiss case. It is earliest to think that is being advanced from of if because you can have lots of mess and Swift will execute the right one. Now I will show the basic example of Swift. Suppose bar sting and let number equal to 2. Swiss has the Swiss statement. Here is the number and here is the pattern. Suppose 1. Here is code day equal to Sunday. In day. In Swiss case or Swiss statement, we will check the day. We will input the number, then we will check the weekly day. Case if at first check case 1. If case 1, then day equal to Sunday. Then case 2. Case 2 day equal to Monday. Case 3 day equal to Tuesday. Sorry. Case 4 day equal to Wednesday. Day 5, day 6, day 7. Day 5 is Thursday. Friday, Saturday. So here is the 7 case statement and one is default. If 7 case statement not fulfill the criteria, then default statement will be execute and enter the default statement, default block. So at first we check the case. Here shows number input. We have set the number 2. Then switch case will check the number. Here is 1, is not, is 2. Then this block of code will be executed, and this is day is equal to Monday. And finally we print the day. Here is the Monday. Now we can change the number. Suppose day 3. So what will be output? Output will be the Tuesday. Playground is running. So this is the Swiss statement, and at first your input number, and then it will be check the case, which case will match you with the condition. Then this particular block will be particular block will be execute finally, and then break the statement, and it finally find your check your variable and value. If not match any case 1 to 7, then default case will be execute. And thank you. So this is the switch statement.